Alright, so this is a short video about Canvas. If you go to their Canvas, you should have a dashboard on the side on their iPad. You would go to my class, which is Haskett Math 7 Spring 2020. And then it should pull up the homepage. If it doesn't, just click on homepage on it. And then you go to class schedule. Once you get to class schedule, you scroll on down. Oops. Okay, if you scroll on down, whatever day it is. So this is the breakdown. This is the videos. This is the activities that they have to complete, including the videos. So this week is April 20th through April 24th. So they need to click on the surface area of a cylinder video quiz. It has a video, and then you take the quiz. And then I also have this video, okay? And then I'll put Zoom videos underneath if I record them. And then down here, I also have extra videos for help. So like 9.1, surface of a prism would be here. 9.3, which is what we're doing this week, would be here. So basically, if you're looking for videos, they're all on this class schedule page. If you just borrow their iPad, or if you get on Canvas online, that's fine too. All right, there you go.